How to delete a collection in Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your collection in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard, the collection class is in the products here. You can go to products tab. And then as you can see, there is collection here. You can click on it, and then you will see all of your collection. So right now I have two collection in the products and homepage. So let's say I want to delete one of them. Maybe I want to delete the homepage collection. You can click or select it. After you select it, as you can see there is three dots here. You can click on it and then click delete collection. And as you can see, this can be undone. So you have to make sure you delete the right collection. Then you can just click delete it. And also, if you have a lot of collection, you can just select all like this. Maybe there is hundreds, and you can just click bulk edit, and you can just customize it if you want, or if you want to delete it, you can click more action again and click delete it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.